Nothing gets built without a plan. If you are walking around and saying you're serious about building wealth, then you absolutely positively need a wealth strategy plan. You need a plan of action that can help you to understand how much money should I invest every month? What are the right types of investments I need? When do I make these investments? You cannot be struggling and just kind of finding your way each month and trying to figure it out as you go. That won't work. If you want to learn the way to build that wealth strategy plan and learn what you need to do to build wealth the right way, the lasting way, so that you can have your wealth lasting for future generation, then you have to hit us up. Profit Jumpstarter is the teacher to help you to create that wealth strategy plan. Send us a link in the DMs, connect with us so that we can get you started on that wealth building journey. We're the experts, we know what to do. And I could teach you what to do so you can get your wealth building journey going along.